Hi everyone, I have a question for you, and I propose you to take a look at your own eye in the mirror. How many of you can notice that the pupil very often is not in the very center of the cornea, of the eye rather? Take a look at that. The reason I'm telling you this, the following. That the eye and that the cornea. That would be right eye, nose will be here, and temporal side would be there. So a pupil, which supposedly the center will be black, but in fact the one which is in the interrupted line, the usual disposition of the pupil. So when we're creating the Kerato procedure, meaning when we created the channel to infuse the pigment, which is this, it will be concentric to the pupil which we see in the microscope, which means that when this outer border of that channel will be created, the distance between the limbus, which is the edge of the transparent part of the eye, on the nasal side will be smaller than the temporal. You don't see it usually because your color is uniform. So brown or blue doesn't matter. So from the border of the pupil to the border of the cornea, you would not see the big difference in the size unless you will be very precise on looking. But when you already created symmetrical channel around the round pupil, you will see that the distance is different. For this reason, we created special instruments which allow us to enlarge this part, or whatever would be necessary part, to make a symmetrical limbo ring. That's a limbo ring which pretty much everyone has. If you again look in the mirror, you will see that you find it as well. But in the normal iris, in the human iris, that just a difference in the pigment creates this sensation. In the keratopigmentation, the creation of new pigment layer is like in a Photoshop. You're looking through the layers. That's one layer of your new color, and the one layer of your own iris, which is behind this. But when you're looking frontally, meaning like in face to the person, you will see the color and the dark line around. Technically, it represents your own color, but it should be symmetrical on any side, and for this reason, we created a special instrument. So the goal of the procedure is to make the look of the eye natural, which means the new color should correspond to the shape of the eye. Because the eye is not symmetrical, it's usually larger horizontally and shorter vertically, we have to make manual adjustment to the size of the channel, which were initially done symmetrically by the laser.